Samsung AMD based GPU delayed slightly, will be faster than rivals even after throttling. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. Samsung is going to unveil the first GPU it has co-developed with the collaboration with AMD in July, says the tipster Exynos. The two companies entered into agreement in 2019 under which AMD would license its graphics design to Samsung for the use in the phone and tablets. Earlier this month, AMD CEO Lisa confirmed that Samsung's next flagship mobile chipset will feature the company RDNA 2 graphics technology. The custom graphic IP will give the chip ray tracing and variable rate shading capabilities. Samsung was earlier rumored to reveal the AMD-based GPU this month, but we have now to wait until July for detail on its performance. In the meantime, we thankfully have leaks to fall back on. Samsung has restructured its chip business in a recent year, presumably because of the criticism it received for the performance gap between its Exynos chips that usually power European and Middle Eastern version of the flagship smartphone and Qualcomm Premium Snapdragon SoC that fuels the American and Chinese model. The tech giant has retired its custom cores and now uses ARM design, a step that has considerably boosted the performance of Exynos 2100, and the silicon still lags behind in graphic performance. The reason behind that is simple. The ARM Mali GPU is no match for the Qualcomm Adreno chip. That is likely to change this year with the introduction of the new Exynos 2200 chipset, a chip that is going to be embedded with the AMD GPU. We supposedly first see the tech in action in Galaxy S22 series, which was apparently to be fueled by a 5nm Exynos 2200 chipset. Qualcomm Adreno 730 GPU is also sounding like a significant upgrade over Snapdragon 888 Adreno 660, so it will be interesting to see which of two get the upper hand. Either way, it's a win-win for Samsung smartphone fans. Also, we have the leak benchmark result indicating that Samsung AMD GPU will offer a better graphic performance than Qualcomm Adreno GPU and Apple custom chips. A recent report says that it will be as good as Apple M1 processor that fuels the latest slate of Macs and the new iPad Pros. A post that has been appeared on South Korean media yesterday also says that it will be overtaken competing product in peak performance, but adds that performance with a throttled by up to 30%, presumably to prevent overheating issue. Despite that, it is going to be considerably more powerful than ARM latest Mali GPU. And this performance has caused an interest in signing a new contract for the next generation of RDNA micro architecture from Samsung. It's not the Samsung that is going to be coming with an AMD GPU next. Google may also use the Samsung AMD based GPU in their next year flagship. As if the performance boost wasn't exciting enough for the Android smartphone user, the site also says that Google is interested in using the tech. Details are secret at that moment, but it is safe to assume that the company's first in-house mobile chipset that will be powered by Pixel 6 and 6 Pro will not have an AMD GPU. Instead, it is expected to feature the Mali G78 GPU. Previously, Tipster Digital Chat Station had said that Vivo could also use the Samsung AMD GPU. In related news, a sketchy report claims that Samsung is trying to poach former Apple and AMD architecture engineer for their custom chip project. Anyhow, there is going to be a win-win situation for Samsung fans, and also the throttling problem which is coming in the custom GPU may be solved until the 2022 Galaxy S22 series, which it is going to be debut on. Anyhow, this is going to be an exciting future for the Samsung Exynos chipset. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here for daily tech videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.